Ukirorera mbica cia drones ni theru na cia kwendeka maitho-ini no ndutarakuukiire andu aingi ni ati hau kabere uhuthiri uyu ni ungiracungiririe baini ya ciringi mirioni 5 ona kana kioho kia mieri 6 maundu maria riu meheretio thutha wa bururi wa Kenya gutuika wa gatatu gitaro-ini kia Afrika gwitikiria uhuthiri uyu.
It is illegal to operate a drone in Kenya unless and until you have come to KCAA and registered your drone.
Ona thengia ikinya riri wari mwari ni tumukite thutha wa marihi maiguru maria mendekithitio makiria hari aria maracihuthira kiwonjoria.
Tondu ungirora marihi maria marutirwo mothe ni KCAA Mukenya uciarirwo guku Citizen urari kwaya ciringi 200,000 nigetha uhote kumbukia drone yaku. Mundu wa nanja foreigner muthungu wauma kuria auma arari kwayo ciringi 20,000 peke yake. Angikorwo kwao ni oete license ya drone guka guku nigetha itikirike kumbukia drone yake arabatarikana ciringi 20,000 peke yake.
Marihi maya ni hamwe na marihi mawandikithia na ciringi 50,000, marihi ma kurehe drones kuma nja ya bururi na ciringi 20,000, marua ma kumbukia drones na ciringi 40,000, kweruhia marua mayo kariho ciringi 40,000 na marua ma ihinda makarihio ciringi 150. Ningi mawatho maya ni mendekithĩtie ati no nginyagia mundu wothe urahuthira drones akorwo akiandikithia na kirafu na ciringi 70,000 na kweruhagia wandikithio uyu na ciringi 40,000 hari o mwaka.
The pricing is high, the prices are hefty, and those are the prices that have been approved by our authorities to start being charged for operation of drones in Kenya. Later on, we will review those charges. We'll even review our regulations and come up with a new set of regulations once we've had some experience in this area and we've had stakeholder input in this area.
Joe Muchero ni muhuthiri wa drones hari wira wake wa guthondeka thenema akiuga ni kiambiriria gia guthinikana kwa ruhonge rwa thenema bururi-ini.
Andu aya nini marokaga theinie wa industry no nigetha tondu ni marona kwina future uhoro ucio ni weheria mbeu njithi muno hari wira wa film industry wafuta wira andu aingi muno.
Ona ruo ruhonge rwa wandiki wa mohoro rukoneka gukorwo hatikaini thengia ruo gukorwo ukihuthira drones na njira nene ica ikuhi.
Media houses, news gathering falls under the commercial category. It's the most expensive category that there is. What you do is for commercial reasons. That's why you're under the commercial category. What we want to do is come up with a system where you have a fee, one fee per year, for instance, so that you can go and do your news gathering in places.
Kiuria kinene ni kana hi bururi-ini wiharirie kiugitiri gukinyaniria ikinya riri undu ria ruhonge rwa kuramata ugitiri wa iharo cia ndege KACC rugite ica ikuhenero kwambiriria kuhuthira mitambo ya kiriu iria yoikanye ta UDM iria kuhota kuonania kuria drones irahuthirwo.
When you register somebody, we know where that drone is at all times, and if they do something that violates the regulations, we will be able to, number one, immobilize that drone wherever it is. It will take over control of it and land it. And we will also track where the operator is.
Thengia ikinya riri gutanjwo gutwara bururi na mbere kuhuthira mitambo ya kiriu utheri wa drones hatari marona ucungiririe muhuthiri guikio ngono akihoro faini ya ciringi mirioni 2 na kana kiho kia mieri 6. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Ritora Koni Bataru wa Mwangi.